Hi everyone, welcome to Product Critique. Today I'm reviewing what I believe is the best back-to-school supply kit. The 87-piece school supplies set for kids from kindergarten through grade 8. If you're a parent, teacher, or just want an all-in-one kit for school basics, stick around. This set claims to cover pretty much every stationery need a student might have. Let's start by taking a look at what you get when you unbox this kit. Inside you'll find a pencil case, 6 regular pencils, 12 markers, 24 crayons, 12 colored pencils, 2 glue sticks, 1 eraser, 5 pencil tip erasers, a pencil sharpener, scissors designed for kids' hands, 4 pencil grips, a ruler with both metric and inch markings, 1 coiled notebook, 1 regular notebook, 4 file folders, a sticky notebook, 3 highlighters, 5 ballpoint pens, and 2 post-it notepads. Essentially, you're getting an entire school year's worth of classroom and art essentials in one box. Now, who is this kit perfect for? This kit is ideal if you have a child starting school, kindergarten, primary or middle school, and you don't want to run around buying items individually. It's also great if you want a ready-to-go kit for summer camps or backup supplies at home. If you prefer premium, professional-grade art supplies, or specialized supplies, this might feel a bit basic, but for everyday schoolwork and drawing or coloring, it hits the sweet spot. Let me show you how these supplies perform. The pencils write smoothly, the crayons and markers appear vibrant, the colored pencils blend well for shading, glue sticks spread evenly, and the eraser and pencil tip erasers do their job without smudging. Scissors are light enough for kids, and the pencil sharpener collects shavings neatly, quite handy for keeping workspaces tidy. What I really like about this kit is how comprehensive it is. Having 87 items ensures you're covered regardless of whether there's homework, art class, crafts, or last-minute assignments. It saves a lot of time and effort compared to buying each item separately. It's also very convenient. Everything's in one box, making it easy to store or carry. For families with multiple kids, getting a couple of these kits could cover all their needs without juggling multiple purchases. On the flip side, because it's an all-in-one, budget-friendly supply kit, the materials are not premium. If you compare markers or colored pencils to high-quality art supplies, they may not be as rich or long-lasting. Similarly, for older students or professionals needing advanced supplies, this kit may feel limiting. The scissors and sharpener are functional, but not heavy-duty. Also, as it's a bulk kit, if you only need a few items, you might end up with more than you actually use. As for price, given what you get, a full set of stationery covering pencils, pens, coloring, note-taking, folders and more, this kit offers strong value compared to buying items individually. In summary, if you're a parent, teacher, or someone preparing a student for school, and want to get a full set of school essential stationery in one go, this 87-piece kit is hard to beat for convenience and completeness. It won't satisfy professional-level art needs, but for everyday schoolwork, homework, coloring, crafts and general supplies it is an excellent pick. On a scale of 1 to 10, for its intended audience, I'd give this kit an 8.5. If you liked this review and want me to test similar school supply kits, hit the like button and subscribe for more on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.